Check out this blast from the past, this 1996 Impala SS owned by Jeff at Carolina Automasters. Just had a recent paint job and was wet sanded and buffed by the painter. You can see the halo marks on the left. We'll take care of those during paint correction and polishing on our end. These are a few close-ups of some imperfections that we found and we're able to work out during the paint correction and polishing process on our end. These are very close up, so it looks worse than it actually is. These are very minute things other than that one big scratch you see right there. This is the test panel section that we do on every car so we can determine the least aggressive pad and compound so as to minimize the thinning of the clear coat when we're doing the paint correction. Here's some photos after the car was paint corrected, polished, and coated. Enjoy and let us know what you think in the comments below. Have a great day. Stay tuned to the end of the video where we will discuss how to wash and maintain a ceramic coated vehicle. Okay, what we talk about with every video on every vehicle is how to wash them and maintain them. Every couple of weeks, you'll take a pressure washer, you'll rinse the vehicle off. You use our Aegis Armor Foam Puree or Spectrum, which is ceramic-based soap. You'll apply these with a foam cannon, let it sit for about a minute, rinse it off, and then take a leaf blower and dry the vehicle. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a physical 2-bucket hand wash of the vehicle using grit guards, of course, in your buckets. After that is when you'll use our Aegis Armor Renew product. This product is designed to basically maintenance and boost the ceramic on the vehicle. It's the only thing you'll need to use on the vehicle after it has the ceramic coating put on it. It can be used on the glass, the wheels, or the paint. We've also got some other do-it-yourself products if anybody's interested in doing those. One of the things we get out with every vehicle that we do is a guide that has a quick do and don't where they're going through a car wash or doing a hand wash. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. Looking to get on the schedule. We usually stay booked out about 2 to 3 weeks. Have a great day.